we were studying body wall of tinea. Now just see the space between body wall and visceral organs, that is known as coelom. In case of tinea, there is no coelom as filled by these parenchymatous cells. These are irregular cells, large sized irregular cells that give off tubular processes into the tegument. Basically, tegument is secreted by these parenchymatous cells. So among these parenchymatous cells, there are present calcareous cells. These calcareous cells, they secrete calcium and magnesium phosphate. They help to neutralize the acids which are present in the absorbed food. So these are the large parenchymatous cells that fill the space between body wall and visceral organs. Within the parenchyma also there is present a musculature which is made up of outer layer of longitudinal muscles and inner layer of transverse muscles. So this is regarding the parenchyma. Now regarding the physiological activities of tinea. First is its movement. Now we have studied that within the body wall there is present a layer of circular and longitudinal muscles. Then within the parenchyma there is present a layer of longitudinal and transverse muscles. So these muscles, they enable the strobila, which is the main part of the body, to fold, to bend, to shorten or to wave in any direction. So that's how the animal within the which is hanging in the intestine of man, it can bend, twist and fold its segments or strobila. Now regarding its nutrition. Tinea lives in intestine of man where there is a plenty of digested food. So it absorbs the digested food through the body surface. This mode of feeding is known as saprozoic mode of feeding. Saprozoic mode is ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ. तो स्ट्रोबिला वा जिहड़ा दैट absorbs glucose and amino acids by active transport. तो मैं पहले ही दस्सिया कि molecules when they move from the lower concentration to higher concentration with the expenditure of energy, that is ATP molecules. ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਟੈਗੂਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਾਈਟੋਕੌਂਡਰੀਆ ਨੇ which will provide it ATP molecules. Then scolex ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ that lies embedded in the intestine. ਉਹ intestine 'ਚ ਧੱਸਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ with the help of hooks. So it absorbs proteins and vitamins from the tissue fluid. So this is how the animal feeds. Now regarding the nervous system of tinea, here just see this animal has well developed nervous system which is divisible into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is mainly composed of these two ganglia which are connected by a broad transverse commissure and a ganglionated ring commissure. So central nervous system ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ brain complex ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ scolex ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪੇਅਰ ਗੈਂਗਲੀਆ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ by means of a broad transverse commissure and a ganglionated ring commissure. Then from this brain complex there arises 5 pairs of nerve cords. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਮੋਟੀ black ਬਣਾਈ ਆ, this is the main lateral nerve cord. 2 red ones, they are accessory lateral nerve cords. Then is the blue one, dorsal nerve cord, and green one is the ventral nerve cord. Out of these all nerve cords, main lateral nerve cords, they are well developed and they extend throughout the length of the body. ਬਾਕੀ nerve cords ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪੂਰੀ body ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ extend ਕਰਦੀਆਂ, ਪਰ main lateral nerve cords ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ they extend throughout the length of the body, and at the end of each proglottid, the lateral nerve cords, they are joined through a, you can say, ring commissure. This is the ring commissure. So this is central nervous system which comprises brain complex and 5 pairs of nerve cords. Then peripheral nervous system consists of nerves that arise from central nervous system and they innervate various parts of the body. Now from the brain complex there arises nerves. These nerves run anteriorly and at the anterior part of the scolex they are interconnected by a rostellar ring. This rostellar ring gives nerves to rostellum, to suckers and hooks. Then on the way from these lateral nerve cords and other nerve cords, large number of nerves arise that innervate various parts of the body. So central nervous system ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ brain complex ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 ganglia ਤੇ 2 commissures ਨੇ ਔਰ 5 pair ਆ nerve cords ਦੇ. ਪੈਰੀਫਰਲ ਨਰਵਸ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਨਰਵਸ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਨਰਵਸ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਤੋਂ ਅਰਾਈਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਡੀ ਦੇ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਨਰਵਸ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਆਫ ਟੀਨੀਆ. ਨਾਓ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਇਟਸ ਐਕਸਕ੍ਰੀਟਰੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ, the excretory system of tinea it comprises large number of flame cells. These flame cells, they are present throughout the parenchyma. Now each flame cell is an oval cell. Oval cell, the outer surface of the oval cell gives cytoplasmic processes in the parenchyma. Then the oval cell has a cavity. This is the cavity of the flame cell. Nucleus is pushed to one side. The cavity of the flame cell, it contains a bunch of cilia. Each cilium arises from the basal granule. Why we call this cell as a flame cell? Because the movement of this bunch of cilia resembles with the flickering of candle flame. Candle ਦੀ flame ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੋਮਬੱਤੀ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਉਹ ਮੂਵ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਇਹ bunch of cilia ਵਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ cavity ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ move ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, hence it is known as flame cell. So large number of these flame cells, they are present in parenchyma. From the basal surface of base of the each flame cell, there arises a excretory capillary. Excretory capillary in turn opens into excretory tubule. Excretory tubules open into excretory canals. So basically there are 4 excretory canals. There is one pair of dorsal longitudinal excretory canal and one pair of ventral longitudinal excretory canal. ਡੋਰਸਲ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਗ੍ਰੀਨ ਕਲਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਇਹ ਕੰਪੈਰੇਟਿਵਲੀ ਥਿਨ ਆ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਲੂਇਡ ਅੱਗੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਵੈਂਟਰਲ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕੰਪੈਰੇਟਿਵਲੀ ਮੋਟੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਲੂਇਡ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾ। ਨਾਓ ਵੈਂਟਰਲ ਐਕਸਕ੍ਰੀਟਰੀ ਕੈਨਾਲਸ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਵੈਲ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਡ, ਦੇ ਐਕਸਟੈਂਡ ਥਰੂ ਆਊਟ ਦੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਐਨੀਮਲ। ਡੋਰਸਲ ਪੂਰੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਐਕਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ, ਵੈਂਟਰਲ ਐਕਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ। ਲਾਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਲੋਟਿਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਵੈਂਟਰਲ ਐਕਸਕ੍ਰੀਟਰੀ ਕੈਨਾਲਸ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਓਪਨ ਇਨਟੂ ਬਲੈਡਰ ਐਂਡ ਬਲੈਡਰ ਓਪਨਸ ਬਾਏ ਦਾ ਐਕਸਕ੍ਰੀਟਰੀ ਪੋਰ। ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਲੋਟਿਡਸ ਟੁੱਟ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਇਹਦੀਆਂ 4-4 5-5 ਦੀ ਚੇਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਲੋਟਿਡ ਟੁੱਟੀ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, then these ventral excretory canals they open independently, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਪਰਚਰ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਖੁੱਲਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। In this collex, these two pairs of excretory canals they are interconnected by means of a plexus. This is a network of capillaries which connects these canals. Now what happens? Flame cells they absorb excretory waste materials. Excretory waste material pass into the cavity of flame cell. Then from the cavity pass into excretory capillary, then into excretory tubule, then into excretory canals, and finally through the bladder and excretory pore they leave the body of tinea. Now if this bladder is broken, then the excretory lateral longitudinal excretory canal they open out independently. As the fluid flows through different parts, then useful materials they are reabsorbed, waste materials they are excreted. So excretory waste leaves the body by way of excretory pore. So this is regarding the excretory system of Taenia solium.